hope you're all doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to create this soft pink halo eye look using only 2 eyeshadows. It's a lot easier to do than it looks, so let's get started. I'm starting off by filling in my brows. Over the years, I've received a lot of DMs on how I do my brows, but thing is guys, I don't really do much to them. This is one of my favorite brow products. It's super affordable and is a great cool toned shade. Especially if you have black or dark hair, you want to use a cool toned brow product, otherwise it can look very unnatural and red. Everything I'm using is listed in the description box below. Growing up, I used to be so insecure about my eyebrows because all the girls around me had skinny, sparse, feminine eyebrows and mine was so thick and dark, but I'm so glad I didn't mess with them too much because now everyone loves fuller eyebrows. I only fill them in when I'm on camera because the angle of the lighting can make certain areas appear sparse. Next, pat a matte pink eyeshadow all over your mobile eyelids like so. Take your time building this up. Pick up the same eyeshadow on a blending brush and blend out the edges of the shadows we just applied in the crease. Once you're happy with the blend, pick up the same matte pink eyeshadow on a smaller pencil brush and blend that along your lower lash line and connect it with the shadows on the outer corners of your eyes. Pick up a shimmery gold eyeshadow on a small detail brush and pop that onto the inner corners of your eyes. Pat the edges to blend it out. Grab the same gold shadow on a flat shader brush and apply it onto the center of your eyelids. You can dampen your brush a little with some setting spray or contact lens solution before picking up the gold shadow to make it apply more pigmented and concentrated. Tap the edges to blend it out slightly. Run a clean blending brush in the crease to blend out those edges slightly. Do your liner as usual. For today's look, I decided to do an elongated inner corner wing. I'll be doing a video soon on how to do an inner corner wing perfectly regardless of your eye shape, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably post it on shorts. Next, line your lower waterline with a pink or burgundy pencil. I'm using a lip liner for this step, guys. Curl your lashes and apply mascara to your top and bottom lashes. Pop a nice pair of lashes on. Highlight your brow bones and cheekbones. And there you go guys, that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. I post new beginner friendly tutorials every Wednesday, so hit subscribe if you don't want to miss it. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!